What is up? We are back finally. Before I show you footage of us fishing in this crazy snowstorm, it was horrible. It was freezing, windy, everything was bad that day. But two things. First thing, I know my intro is really long, but what I want to do with my intro instead of changing it is get you guys to send me pictures of you fishing or fish you have caught or something you think is cool. Send them to me, put them in the comments. My email is on my YouTube. Go in my about and my emails there, send me pictures and I'll put those in the intro. And second thing, I want to give away from another YouTuber. His name is Bottomland Outdoors. Check him out. He does monthly giveaways. He does monthly Lucky Tackle Box giveaways every month. This is a 1,500 subscriber giveaway. I think he's up over 2,000 now. So yeah, go visit him. I'll leave his link in the description below. But yeah, let's open this. Now I already sort of know what's in this, but ooh, all nice and wrapped up for us, huh? Alright, so this is probably my favorite thing I was excited for most of all was this is the Savage Gear swim bait. It has a nice chrome prismatic presentation. It is a slow slink big glide, so it's one of the glider baits. I'm trying to look for a size. I'm not sure on the size here. It has 8 centimeters. Another thing in here is a fish head primal spin, which I seen him talking about. It's actually a white and chartreuse spinner bait, but it also has an underspin on it. Here, I'll take it out for you guys. Boom. So it has your 2 blades up top, but also has a blade on underneath, like an underspin that you would buy, put a swim bait on, and all that jazz. So yeah, we got that. We have a River to Sea frog kit, which I've heard a lot of good things about. What you do is you slide this whopper plopper tail or these 2 rattles over the hooks of your frog, which sounds really cool. I have to give it a try. I don't know how I think that is. You got a Ish Monroe Fat Matt Daddy River to Sea frog. Now the cool thing about this frog is this frog actually has external rattles on it, which like in that frog kit have rattles you can put over the hook. So if I somehow lost this, I would be able to replace it. I don't know how you would lose it, but yeah, if you look here, it has that external rattle, but you can slide that whopper plopper tail over there too, so it had the whopper plopper propeller action in the water. So yeah, something to try. I'd definitely probably trim these skirts a little bit longer than what I like. But yeah, that's cool. This is something else I was really excited about. This is called the Top Notch. It's a series of whopper plopper, but this is just designed by Chris Lane. He's a professional fisherman. I was real excited about this bait. It looked really good. Really good. See if I can get this open. Jeez. So yeah, same design as the whopper plopper action. It has a propeller on the back. Real nice, I'd say this is bluegill or baby bass color. Does not say, but that's what I'd say. It's either bluegill or baby bass color. Real nice, has a nice propeller. Kind of like that lunkerhead prop fish that we had in one of our Lucky Tackle boxes. Now it looks like we're on to the soft plastic. We got some Bass Assassin Lures dye dappers, 3.5 inch. This is melon shad. These are just little swimmates. I'll take one off for you guys. I've heard good things about Bass Assassin. I've never tried them, but I've heard good things. Yeah, they're just little swimmates. I really like this color. Nice little paddle tail on the back of there. Yeah, nice little swimming. I have a cool little head on there too. They have eyes. I don't know if it'll focus on that, but yeah. What else we got? We have some. Okay, so these are Senko style baits. These are a black and blue color by XN Lures. Never heard of. Oh yeah, I have that. Just another Senko bait, like a Yamamoto Senko. I like this color, black and blue. It's a more natural color. Has a good wacky rig action on it. That's pretty cool. Got some more of those, but in a watermelon candy color. Got another pack of black and blue. Got some Bass Attacker, more Senko style baits, a watermelon. Infused with bass fuel, I'm sure this thing. Okay, so now we got another Bass Assassin lure. These are called the Pure Crawl. This is a grave digger color. I'll take them out for you. I really suck at opening these bags. Ooh, I like this color. Okay, so they're just your normal crawl. Have a real nice action on that thing, but the top it has that blue chrome shiny feeling, and the bottom's just watermelon. I really like this color, grave digger. Nice. And one thing I'm noticing about these Bass Assassin lures, it looks like you get a good quantity of baits in them. You know, you get 10 in that. That's nice. Got a pack of them. Another pack of those swim baits. This is a watermelon red plate color. Alrighty. Okay, these are another lure by Bass Assassin. These are called Tap Out. They're like trick worms. I'll take one out for you guys. Open that one a little bit better. Whoa, you get a lot here. This is a 20 count bag, so you get a lot. But yeah, just a normal finesse trick worm. Has a black body with a blue tail, so another natural color I really like. But yeah, that's a 20 count bag, so get them out in there. We have another bag of those worms. This is a June bug color, pretty similar to that grave digger color. And last but not least, one of my favorite fishing lures. We got two jigs from D&L Tackle. I've never used D&L Tackle, but I've heard they're a really good brand. So yeah, all in all, this giveaway box that I've won, it's $100 value. So big thank you to Bottomland Outdoors. Everyone go subscribe and like his videos, check him out. He's really cool. So yeah, that was that giveaway. Now next one I wanted to show you. Okay, boom, thanks for watching. Dang, this lighting is crazy. But boom, thanks for watching that unboxing. Now here's to the fishing. All right guys, today I'm out here with my dad, my little brother. We're out here in these conditions right now, not really superb for fishing. Out here pike fishing. I'm gonna throw around a couple of lures from this month's Lucky Tackle box. See how this goes. Throwing some schmelt out there. I'll let you guys know what happens. All right, little Cruz got the first pike of the trip. Good job, Cruz. Put him back in the water. There you go. Good job, Cruz. Dad with the second one of the day. Pretty nice one. Didn't bring a roller today, so we don't know if it's a keeper or not. But nice one if that. We're gonna release him here, guys.